What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show something to you guys. So I have been toying the idea around with buying a new car. I don't really know what I want to get. I'm thinking about buying a Corvette, either a C8 or a C7, and if I can find a cool C6 Z06. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to find a C6, so I'm thinking about going C8 or C7. So today I'm going to show you guys a car that I'm interested in getting. Obviously, I do work at Auto Addict USA, if you guys didn't know. So if you guys ever need discounts or hookups, feel free to hit me up and let me know. I'll hook you guys up on whatever you need. And we have a C7 Z06 shop car today, which is going to be the one that I'm checking out. So let's get over and see the car. If you guys didn't see my last video, which I'll link below, this is one of the cars I did a video of last time. Pro Charge built motor. It's on bags, full carbon fiber exposed car. And the twin, which is the color changing one. As you can tell, we're pretty big on C8s here. Or if you could see over there, some more C8 Z06s, but this is the one that we're gonna be talking about today. Let's turn this thing on. Oh. There we go. It's been sitting in the warehouse for a while, so it hasn't been turned on. Oh, this thing sounds so good. Let's hop inside. Very nice interior. As you can tell, C7R edition. First test, I fit in the car pretty well, which is the main thing because I'm a bigger guy, you know, so I've been training a little bit. So as long as I can fit and feel good in the seat, this is already a good go. Let's see. Oh, seat's doing something, pulling me back. This is sick. One of my favorite features about this car is this freaking screen thing. I don't know why. You know, you can get a little blicky, keep it in here. Oh, this is such a nice car. All right, boys, here she goes out in the sunlight. This car is super sick, honestly, in my opinion. I think the matte black is super sick. Not a fan of the yellow. I definitely pull all the yellow off, but you know, it's part of the theme of the R or C7R or whatever it's called. But this car's super sick. It's got a carbon front lip. It's got carbon side skirts. I'm pretty sure the diffuser is carbon. And like I said, you guys, I do work at Auto Addict USA. This is one of the new hoods that we are coming out with. It's a full carbon, double-sided carbon. All the vents work. There's no piece right there right now because we're working on the development on this. We should have it in the next 2 months, but right now it's gonna be like a DOT certified glass. That way you can see the supercharger, or the guys that have like the bigger blowers, a Whipple, a Magnuson 2650 or something like that. You'll be able to see it through the top of here, or obviously the guys who have the OEM carbon cover. It's a super nice touch in order to be able to see it. Now, in my honest opinion, I think this car looks better than the C8. I think personally, if I buy this car, I will get a manual, but the front end, in my opinion, looks better than a C8. The side profile looks better than a C8. Plus, it's got carbon ceramics, and I'm only gonna get carbon ceramics if I buy like a 3LZ C8 Z06, which I probably am not gonna get because the prices are still too high right now. The rear end of this car, in my personal opinion, looks better than a C8, and it's just more classic and more fitting. Plus, a lot of people like to say that the C8 has more room than this. The C8 trunks and frunk is definitely deeper, but this has like a really good amount of space in the back. And obviously, I do carry my tools. I do carry a bunch of stuff. So I feel like this has a little bit more room. If it had a little bit more depth, it would be better for me. But honestly, I think that works pretty well. Let's check it out under the hood. Super sick. Opens up this way. Reminds me of my E30. Not big supercharger, but decently sized supercharger for OEM. It is a little bit dirty. We definitely need to clean it up. But like I said, vent exposed, vents work, which is super cool in my opinion. This is the hood that I'll probably get if I buy this car. Not this car, but another one. See this little Punisher thing is kind of cool. But under the hood looks pretty cool also. I think all around, this piques my interest a lot more than the C8. And honestly, I think this car sounds way better. Dude, this is so sick. I just realized this. I never knew you could freaking control the passenger side from right there under the vent. That's so sick. Like, you literally have 2 spots to do it. That's so freaking cool when you have a passenger in here. Like, I didn't even realize that. This thing has no tire pressure at all in the back, so we're definitely gonna go to the gas station right now and put some air in it. But dude, that's sick. This car feels so like, not strange to drive, but compared to the C8s that I've been driving, like, it's a lot different because the length of the hood, it's super long. So like it feels like almost like I'm driving like a Viper or something, you know? Like it's pushed out like way farther than like I've ever driven. I wonder how it is like just driving normally. We're gonna take it on a drive right now and see exactly what this thing is all about. Okay guys, so air is put in the tire. Let's see what this thing is all about. Tires are warmed up, so I'm not too worried, but let's see. Oh my God. Dude, this thing is so freaking fun. Oh my God, this car is fast. I'm not like 100% comfortable yet going full throttle. Obviously, it's not my car. So last thing I want to do is wad this thing up into a curb. But this thing is fast. So far, I'm really liking this. This thing is very like reactive to the steering wheel feel. So like it literally goes wherever you point it. The brakes are super good, obviously carbon ceramics. But dude, this thing feels really nice. Like I said, I am not 100% comfortable just flooring it right off the bat yet. I do want a little bit more heat in the tires. It's in sport mode, so I'll assume that means traction is on. Traction is not coming off on this car, but sounds nice. Downshifts are super crisp. Supercharger sounds cool. I like it. Let's see if you guys can hear the supercharger. Yeah, this thing just feels so good. Wow. This thing feels freaking great. I would argue that this definitely does feel better, like in the driver's seat, than the C8 does. It's just, I know they're both like automated, but this one feels less automated. Okay, let's see if I can get a decently fast pull here. Ready? Oh God. Yup. This thing is freaking fast. I love this car. This is way better than the C8. This feels so much freaking cooler. Honestly, now the C8 completely out. This feels so much better. The supercharger feels so much cooler than the NA on the C8. Now, the carbon one that I drove, let me put these windows up. The carbon one that I drove has a Pro Charger, but like, I just can't explain it. I can't really like explain the difference in feeling. Like this one just feels so freaking good. I can say like positively that this car doesn't feel as comfortable as the C8. Now the C8 does feel a little bit more comfy to drive. The chassis on this one, it creaks a little bit more. It does feel like it's a little bit more stiff. I don't know if that has something to do with the engine being in the front and not the back, but it does feel a little bit stiffer, and it does feel more like race car-y, you could say. I wish this was my car so I could hit some drifts, but obviously, no, I can't disrespect the owner like that. But we'll do one more pull, just one more, and then we're done. Yup, sick. I love it. The homeless dude right there, give me a thumbs up. That's it. Back in the warehouse. Let me out of this thing. Now, between this car and this car, I really did enjoy driving this one a little bit more. I haven't made a video on this one, driving this one, so I'm gonna drive this. I'm gonna drive this one again, make a video on this one. This one sounds way cooler, in my opinion, because it's not a regular C8, it's a Z06, obviously. If I got a C8, I'll probably get a regular one, opposed to a Z06, unless this price comes down. This one, though, they're around the same price, but I think this is worth more money, and this will hold a little bit more value than this one will. Again, I just wanted to glorify this hood. We will have these coming in pretty soon. So for the guys with the C7s, with the Z06s, the Stingrays, the Z51s, and all the other options, that will fit. So shoot me a message or shoot me an email. I'll put all my information below so you guys can grab one of these before they come in, because pre-order, they probably will sell out before they get here. And if you guys liked the video, please drop a comment, drop a like. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna be making another video with the C8 Z06 soon so that we could see it. And if you haven't seen the last one with the full carbon C8 Pro Charge that I did, I will link that one below too so you guys can check it out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be bringing as much content as I can as possible, considering I'm part of the Auto Addict team now. We do a lot of American car stuff, and we're going to start getting into a lot of like Porsche stuff, things that sense. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good rest of your day.